acceleration calculation questions. So we need 3 equations involving acceleration. So I'll let you complete these, but also think about resultant force, F equals, as well as A equals. So what we've got then is low demand questions. So I'm going to do, I don't know, number 3. I'm doing number 3 because it involves this new one here. So a car accelerates from rest at a rate of 2 meters per second squared to 500 meters. What is its final speed? So what we're going to do is we are going to plug FIFA, B-U-G-F-I-F-A. So we're going to box what we need to find. What's its final speed? So I need to find its final speed, which is V. If I don't know V, I need to underline my data, and I'm going to grab my data. So I've got 2 meters per second squared. Meters per second squared tells me its acceleration. That's A is equal to 2 meters per second squared, and I've got for 500 meters m that tells me its distance displacement, so that's 500 meters. Okay, so now I've got my data. So a car accelerates from rest at a rate of 2 meters per second. So here we've got a car accelerates from rest. So at rest, what we mean then is that our initial velocity, well, it's at rest, so our initial velocity is 0. Okay, now just to separate this out, put a line there. What I'm going to do now is I've boxed, underline and grab my data. Now I'm going to FIFA. So I'm going to write down my formula, which is V squared minus U squared is equal to 2AS. I'm going to insert what I need. So what I've got, sorry, so that's V squared, well I don't know what V squared is over here, minus, well U is 0, and that's equal to 2 times acceleration, which is 2, times displacement, which is 500. So now what I've got is V squared is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 times 500, which is 2000. So because this is V squared over here, what I've got to do is to get V, I've got to square root 2000. So taking a calculator, that will be 44.72. So our answer is 44.7 meters per second.